These trails are amazing, bro. Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Hey guys, welcome back. We're somewhere different today. I got the old trusty Toyota out. With some new painted V3 wheels on it and a new nice silver bed. Pretty warm today, got the window open, that's amazing. And yeah, I'll leave the link in the corner if any of you guys want to see the upgrades. This truck has pretty much dual speed, metal drive shafts, and we're running some cheap electronics, but yeah, this once was a C24-1 ready to run. We're at Penalty Park again today, guys. It's been a while since we've been here. Last time I was here I was out with the MN99. So yeah, we've got James as well with his FTX Outback Fury up ahead. So pretty much the WPL is going to be trying to keep up with the big boys today. See how we get on. I'll turn my lights on, nice little rock. I'm going to click it down first gear so we get some nice slow controlled torquey revs here. Take a nice little rocky line on the way up, why not? That's what trailing's all about. So I'm in second gear as the train's pretty easy. It's really nice to have the best of both worlds with this dual speed. Really rate these dual speed gearboxes. Always catching sticks, these little critters. So here we go, the train's getting a little bit trickier. I'm going to pop it into first gear and yeah, just make sure we got the torque and control to get through it all. Like a tractor. Yeah, these trails, these are on the outskirts of Tredomlan Park. Not actually up in the centre where the Pit Pony Memorial is. These trails are suited perfectly for these little trucks. Awesome. Go on. Straight up. Up, caught another tree. So realistic, you're going to pick your line so carefully. Oh, look at these rocks coming up. So as I was just saying, if you pick your line really carefully, we'll find a way through. So I haven't got wheel weights, but I've got some foams from Bantam Engineering. And yeah, they're nice and soft. As you can see, plenty of support there on these soft kit tyres. And through she goes! Wow guys, there's the cliffs up there. I'm really impressed. These are the trails leading up. So I cannot wait to get up the top there. Trails just got a little trickier. I think I can see a line up there. Come on, you, that's straight through. What an awesome spot. Let's do a quick traverse test. Try out those foams to see how those sidewalls hold up. No weight, so go on guys, as you can see, let me try and get a good angle of this. That is pretty darn steep on the traverse there, guys. Oh no. Sidewall's holding up strong. Come on, Yoda, slow and steady. Oh, that looks so cool. That is epic.
It's hard to show what it's like.
It is hard, yeah, the camera really doesn't do that traverse any justice, but wow. Out the other side, well done, Yoda. James has just taken the direct route up. Steep and slippery. I'm not quite sure that little Yoda will get up there. There's a massive scenic route around the outside, but we can still, like I said, there's always a way around, guys. I've got to have a go, see if I can get up there, follow line. Okay, first bit I'm up. Second bit now, the big boy's stuck. Oh my god, off camera, I just nearly reversed off the cliff. Whoa! Yes, Toyota. And the big boy follow. Yeah, wheel speed for the win. These trails are amazing, bro. Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Never. Wonder what I lost. Wing mirrors, snorkel.
Nothing.
Wow!
The tailgate's still there.
Oh, never. What a tumble! Was it not a scratch, like? So look.
He's alright. Bit of grass.
That was a hell of a tumble. Oh, what? Still got that. 2 wing mirrors. Snorkel. Fair play, little champ. So that's a hop. Oh, I'm gonna get trigger happy by here, guys. What an awesome spot. So we made our way through some trails down that way, up the side of the cliff. And here we are at the top. Really nice views, really nice breeze as well up here. Find that later on Instagram. Whoa, anyone want a fresh Stella? Freshly picked off the tree.
Beer trees.
Ah, beer trees, only in Wales. Honestly guys, I've had a blast today up the trail with James. It's nice to be back at some different spots. Penelope Park surely has some epic trails, but as always guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.